all the way up, all the way up. So I want to introduce our board members to you. This is Frank Kemery, and he is our new board member. He is an alternate. Cindy McComish is our current vice president. Jennifer Bowles is member at large. Carl Wostwin is our treasurer. Dahlia Cohen is serving as our secretary. Andrea, member at large, and fills in all kinds of places. And Heidi Nathy is our board president. And Tom Palmershine is our alternate first year on the board. So welcome them. So we call upon the presence of God right now in this moment because each of these members has been called to this responsibility of stewardship and leadership. They have been selected to this place of responsibility, and they now stand ready to pledge their intent in fulfilling their duties entrusted in their care. And so let us, as a community, pledge our support to them with our prayers and love. So we ask that our Board of Trustees may be guided and blessed with divine wisdom, and may Seattle Unity be blessed by their service. So, board, the congregation has elected you to a position of leadership. So my question to you is, do you willingly accept the responsibilities of the office to which you have been elected? And do you promise to perform the duties of the office as diligently and effectively as possible? Yes. See, they just married you. So I would invite anyone here in the room who has served on the board, if you would stand up right now and just hold sacred space for our board members as they pledge their commitment to Seattle Unity. So Frank, did you get, here's extra. Who did not get a card? There you go. Oh, you need a microphone. Yes, you do. Thank you. So we'll start. So you just read 1 line, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
8. Yeah.
As a board member of Seattle Unity, I commit to support the mission and vision of the church.
As a board member of the Seattle Unity, I commit that we will have a daily spiritual journey which is based on love, prayer, and gratitude.
As a board member of Seattle Unity, I commit to demonstrate an active commitment to unity principles in my daily life.
As a board member of Seattle Unity, we commit to honor each other's growth process through listening and honoring their individuality.
As a board member of Seattle Unity, we commit to having and demonstrating a genuine interest in the well-being of our community and other board members.
As a board member of Seattle Unity, I commit to be a catalyst for the financial prosperity for the church.
As a Seattle board member, I commit to making decisions in the context of the values, missions, vision, and goals of the ministry.
As a board member of Seattle Unity, I commit to participate in and actively support activities of prayer and community that will enhance my experience as a trustee and enrich my own spirituality.
Thank you. So this is a charge to the congregation. Will you support the Board of Trustees of Seattle Unity with your prayers and with your support? We do. All right, thank you. Let's give them a round of applause. Yay, thank you for serving.